Good morning, Morgan Maxwell Mountain Lions. Today is Tuesday, January 26, 2021. Please stand for the Pledge of Allegiance.
I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Please remain standing for a moment of silence. Thank you, and you may be seated.
The grab-and-go lunch menu for today is cheeseburger sliders, so be at the bus at 11:16 a.m. Remember, Tuesdays is also when you pick up lunch and breakfast for Wednesday because there's no bus routes on Wednesdays. There's no birthdays today. Alright, just one or two announcements today. The first is that Lunch Bunch is back, so we're starting today. It'll just be once a week, so today only for this week for my 3rd and 4th graders and my 7th and 8th graders. Come during lunch. The Zoom ID is Rebecca Hoy. All my other friends, K2 and 5-6, we will meet on Thursday during your lunchtime. Also, guys, it's time for a fundraiser. And it's an easy fundraiser because all you have to do is go to Panda Express at Speedway and Silver Bell, show a copy of this flyer, and we'll get a percentage of your order. You can even order online to pick up. And we get 20% of sales. So, tell your mom, say, Mom, or Dad, or grown up, for lunch or dinner on Friday, we have to order Panda Express to help support the school. Alright, it is Try It Tuesday, and before I move into this week's awesome experiment, I just want to do a throwback to last week. If you remember, we made the rain gauge. If you had that made, I bet it's getting a lot of measuring done this week. There's been a lot of rain. But Maya and Salvador sent in their rain gauges that they made, which are so cool. I love it so much. If you try one of our Try It at Home experiments, then send me a picture. Or even if you just find a cool experiment on YouTube or on the internet and you did it, send me a picture of your experiment. And I will showcase you on Try It Tuesday, because the point of Try It Tuesday is to take chances, make mistakes, and get messy. So guys, today on Try It Tuesday, we are going to see how density works with things around our home. Don't know what density is? Well, everything in the whole world is made of something called molecules. And density is how tightly packed those molecules are into a small space. If you think of a rock has a lot of molecules in it, all packed together. So if you drop it in water, it'll sink. But different liquids, different items have different densities. So today what we're going to do is we're going to see people layer those densities and make a rainbow experiment. It's cloudy and wet, and so I think we can all use a rainbow. So I'm actually showing you two different experiments today that show the same thing. They're both pretty short. One is pretty messy. That one you definitely need a grown-up's help. You might not have everything around your house. It's just a really cool experiment. And then the second one is a much easier version of that. You can definitely do it at your house. All it takes is sugar and water and food coloring. And a straw. So, let's check out density today. The amazing 9-layer density tower. Here's what you need. A large glass vase, honey, corn syrup, maple syrup, whole milk, dish soap, water, vegetable oil, rubbing alcohol, lamp oil. 9 cups of turkey baster food coloring, a bolt, a popcorn kernel, a die, a cherry tomato, some beads, a soda bottle cap, a ping pong ball, and adult supervision. Step 1. Measure out equal amounts of each liquid in the cups. Use food coloring to color the water and rubbing alcohol. Step 2. Carefully layer honey, then corn syrup, then 100% maple syrup in the vase. Don't let it touch the sides while pouring. Step 3. Use the turkey baster to layer the rest of the liquids in the vase. Go slow. Be careful. Starting with water, now pour the liquids down the side. Carefully drop in the objects. Help the soda cap fill with liquid. You can see the density of all the items we dropped in. Share your conclusion on how to make an amazing density tower.
Too tricky? Try this instead. Here is what you need. Granulated sugar, coloring tablets or food coloring, water, and a straw, 6 glasses, a measuring spoon, and adult supervision. Step 1. Fill each glass with water. Pro tip, you might want to use warm water for this. Step 2, use coloring tablets or food coloring to color the water. Add teaspoons of sugar to the glasses in the amount shown. Stir them up until the sugar is dissolved. This is where that warm water will really help you out. Step 4, dunk the straw in the water and cap the end with your thumb. Dunk it in the next color and quickly uncap, then cap the end of the straw. If you uncap the straw, you will need to start over. Use a turkey baster to see if you can layer the colors in a larger glass. Why don't the different colored liquids mix? Guys, that's the density that we were talking about. The bottom liquids are heavier than the top liquids because of all the molecules. You want to try this at home? Google Steve Spangler Rainbow Experiment and all of the details are listed on the website for you. Good luck!
Alright, I hope that you guys thought that was pretty cool. Again, this is something I think would be pretty easy to do at your house no matter how old you are, especially that second experiment. So, talk to your grown-ups, see if it's something that you can do just as a fun activity today. Send me a picture. Alright, Morgan Maxwell Mountain Lions practice being safe, being responsible, being respectful, and being kind. Guys, it's a great day to have a great day. It's cold and wet out there today, so stay warm, stay bundled up, stay cozy and inside. I hope everyone has an awesome Tuesday, and of course, we'll see you tomorrow.